Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to import files into Blender. So whether you're bringing in a three-dimensional model, an image, or another supported file type, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, launch Blender and open an existing project, or create a new general project. Once the workspace is ready, you're all set to import your files. Next, click the File menu in the upper left corner of the Blender window. Move your cursor over Import, and you'll see a list of supported file formats. Blender can import many common formats, including OBJ, FBX, STL, GLTF, GLB, Alembic, and several others. Choose the format that matches your file. For example, if you're importing an OBJ model, select Wavefront OBJ. If it's an FBX file, choose FBX. Selecting the correct format ensures Blender can read and import the file properly. Now use the file browser to locate the file on your computer. Click on the file to select it, then choose Import. Depending on the file size and complexity, Blender may take a few moments to load everything into your scene. After the import is complete, inspect the object in the 3D viewport. Rotate the view, zoom in, and make sure the model imported correctly. If necessary, use the Move, Rotate, or Scale tools to adjust its position and size. Once everything looks good, open the File menu and choose Save As. Select a location, enter a project name, and save your Blender project so the imported file becomes part of your scene. And that's how you import files into Blender. Once you know this process, you'll be able to work with models created in many different three-dimensional applications. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more Blender tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.